Division of fractions. To divide fractions, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. The reciprocal of a number is that number written as 1 divided by that number. For example, the reciprocal of 4/5 is obtained by reversing the fraction. The numerator becomes the denominator, and vice versa. We have written the reciprocal of 4/5, which is 5/4, and now we multiply 2/3 by 5/4. Then we multiply the numerators between them, so 2 times 5, and multiply the denominators between them, 3 times 4. So we reverse these 4/5 into 5/4, and now we do a multiplication, 2 times 5 and 3 times 4. So the division 2/3 by 4/5 results in 10/12. We can simplify 10/12 by dividing both sides of the fraction by 2 to get 5/6. Going back, we could have simplified the numerator 2 and the denominator 4 by dividing both by 2, obtaining 1 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. That would have led us directly to the final result, 5/6. Instead of simplifying later, we simplified first and got the same result, 5/6.